Regardless of whether you have an existing business, are starting a new business, or are just entertaining the idea of being your own boss, home-based business owners get more tax deductions than any other category of taxpayer in America, bar none. Most people purchase a home in part for the tax advantage, but don't consider how much more they can save in taxes by simply running a small business from their home. The only thing a homeowner can write off is their interest, unless you have a small business based in your home. If you own a business, you can often take deductions on things that you would do anyway. Going out to dinner with a friend to discuss business, driving your car for a business purpose, getting a coffee at Starbucks with a business contact, going on vacation, if set up in advance to qualify as a business trip, medical expenses for everyone in your family, and many more. As an astute business owner, you can use the tax benefits that are available to home-based business owners to slash your taxes by up to $5,000 or more every year. Most people love the idea of owning their own business, even a small part-time business, because it can create a new stream of income. But more importantly, it gives you a sense of freedom and accomplishment. However, they're scared to death of the IRS, and they don't really understand home business tax deductions. So even if they do start a business, they only take advantage of a tiny amount of the deductions they can easily qualify for. The fact is that the IRS only has 3 requirements to qualify for business tax deductions. 1. You need to run your business on a regular and consistent basis. This means at least 3 to 4 hours per week. 2. You need to have an intent to make a profit, and if you're not making a profit, you need to be working towards making a profit. 3. You need to record your expenses properly. The first 2 aren't so hard, but keeping IRS-compliant records not so much. If you happen to be audited for any reason, if you do not have the required records to prove your deductions, you risk losing all of your home business deductions for the entire year. Proper record keeping is not just a good idea, it's required by law for documenting every deduction you claim. Well, the good news is we have you covered. TaxPal has put together a simple and easy-to-use fill-in-the-blank system that makes sure your tax deduction records are IRS compliant. Just fill in all the fields on the online forms, and your tax deduction records will be IRS compliant. Plus, you can hand your accountant the files in a digital format, which may save you a couple $100 in data entry fees. TaxPal can even remind you automatically and on a regular basis to enter your receipts so you don't miss out on deductions. A TaxPal subscription includes 2 very important things that you need to do as a business owner. First, you need to educate yourself on what deductions are available to you. TaxPal works with Dr. Ron Mueller, the author of the best-selling book Home Business Tax Savings Made Easy, who is the #1 home business tax expert in the United States to provide you with the best information available in regards to home business tax savings. Second, you need to keep accurate records. To show you how easy this is, you simply log in, choose Record Expense, choose the type of expense you want to record, fill in all of the blank fields, and click Save Expense, and you're done. In less than a minute, you have bulletproof records that can save you thousands of dollars each year. As a matter of fact, TaxPal is so confident in your success, we offer a complete money-back guarantee. Just use our system to enter your data at least once a week for 1 year and follow the IRS requirements of 1. Working your business on a regular basis, at least 3 to 4 hours a week. 2. Making a profit or working toward making a profit. 3. Keep IRS compliant records using TaxPal at least once a week. If you do that, and if your qualified small business deductions do not total up to at least $5,000, we will refund 100% of your subscription dues for that entire year. Don't run the risk of losing any of your massive home business tax deductions due to forgetting them or especially due to an audit. Register today at www.taxpal.net.